Okie dokie. So here's our equilibrium. Let's take a look at it. So let's see, we got 2HI on this side plus heat makes H2 and I2. These are the reactants, these are the products. Now, one of the things that I'd like to talk about is this little tree here. Okay, so I mentioned it before. So think of the tree at the equilibrium sign. So if we add something on this side, it's going to be like a big pile of dirt that's going to knock the tree over. So if you add HI or you add heat, it's going to knock the tree that way, which is going to shift the equilibrium that way towards the products. Okay? If you dug a hole on this side, then the tree would fall in the hole. So if you take away heat or you take away HI, the tree is going to fall to fill in that hole. So it's going to go this way, shift the equilibrium to fill the hole. Now, another way to think of the tree in the hole, if that doesn't work for you, is, oh, I like that one on the bottom, hiding under there. We got two containers of water. They're connected by a tube on the bottom. And notice they both have the same level. Now, true equilibrium doesn't mean same on both sides, but this is something that you may see in an aquarium or something hooked up with a little wire and a tube in between them. Okay, so what would happen if I added water to this side? If I added something on this side, if I added HI or if I added a heat to this side, I'm adding more water to this side. So which way is the water going to go? Well, this is going to fill up, but what's going to happen? After it fills up, this is going to be higher, so the water is going to want to travel that way to get to the other side. And that's the shift in the equilibrium. And if I did the opposite, I'll erase that for now. I did the opposite and I'm trying to move it around so you can see it, and I took away some of the liquid on this side, took away the heat or took away the HI. I'm taking away something on this side. What's going to happen is that once this water level goes down, this side is going to want to shift to fill that hole. So it's going to want to shift that way to fill that hole. Got it? So if there's less on this side, it's going to shift to fill the side where it's leaking. Or you can think of a container. It's like, oh, there's a hole on this side here. Oh no, it's leaking out. It's leaking out. What's going to happen? Well, if it's leaking out, you're taking stuff out. It's going to shift from this side. I know. It's going to shift from this side to fill where the hole is. So it's going to shift this way. See that? So if you're removing from one side, it's going to shift to fill. And if you're adding from one side, it's going to shift to relieve that stress. And those are the stresses. And whichever one you're adding, if you add HI, here it is, HI, or if you add heat, it's going to shift it that way. And if you add H or I, it's going to shift this way. Got it? And if you take it away, the opposite's going to happen. You take away heat, you dig a hole, it's going to want to fill this hole on this side, so the shift is going to go this way to fill the hole. Does that help? Hope the visual helped you.